Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, we have given our introduction of the Bhagavad-gita that one has to understand Bhagavad-gita as it is directed in the Bhagavad-gita. There is direction how to read Bhagavad-gita. People are reading Bhagavad-gita without taking the direction. This we have explained in the manner that if you take some medicine, there is some direction on the bottle, that this is the dose. You take so many drops, so many times, that is direction. Similarly, for understanding Bhagavad-gita actually, you have to accept the direction as given by the author himself, Krsna. He says that long ago, some 40 millions of years ago, he first spoke this Bhagavad-gita to the sun god. And sun god transmitted the knowledge to his son Manu. And Manu transmitted the knowledge to his son Ikhaku. Imam vivassati yugam prattavan aham abhayam. Vivashan manave praha manu Ikhaga vibravit. So, the Rajarshis, they are all kings. Manu is king, Maharaj Ikhaku is also king, and the sun god Vivashan, he is also king. He is the king of the sun planet, and his grandson Ikhaku became the king of this planet, Maharaj Ikhaku, and in this dynasty, which is known as Raghuvansha, Lord Ramchandra appeared. It is a very old monarchical family, Ikhaku Vansha, Raghuvansha. Vansha means family. So formerly the kings, the head of the administrative executive, they used to learn the thesis or the injunction given by God. So, according to Bhagavad-gita, only a devotee of Krishna, a person who is intimately related with Krishna, he can understand what is Bhagavad-gita. So, Krishna Arjuna, after hearing Bhagavad-gita from Krishna, he addressed him as Parabrahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavan, Purusham, Shasatam, Divyam, Adi, Devam, Ajam, Vivam. He understood Krishna as Parabrahma. Parabrahma means the supreme truth, absolute truth, Parabrahma. Brahma, the living entities, they are also called Brahma. But living entities are not Parabrahma. Parabrahma means supreme. So Arjuna addressed him as Parabrahma and Paramdhama. Paramdhama means the resting place of everything. Everything is resting on the energy of the Supreme Law. Therefore, he is called Paramdhama. Just like all these planets are resting on the sunshine, sunshine is the energy of the sun globe. Similarly, this material energy is Krishna's energy, and everything is material or spiritual, everything is resting on Krishna's energy. The resting place is Krishna's energy. In another place, Krishna says, Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat abhakta murtina masthani sarvabhutani naham teshu avasthita. Krishna says that in my impersonal feature I am spread everywhere, all pervading. God is all pervading by his impersonal feature, namely his energy. The example is given just like heat is the energy of fire. So fire spreads by its heat and light. The fire is one place, but the heat and light is spreading. Similarly, Krishna is in his own abode, which is called Goloka Vrindavan. There is a planet in the spiritual world, the topmost planet. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,